I'm Ray Indigo, and I am the founder, master chemist behind Formula Flawless Skincare. We make organic, fresh, everything's made fresh every week, medical grade potency skincare. We're the only company in the world that does this. When COVID happened, I used to travel a lot for work, and I was gone 2-3 weeks of the month flying, all of this. My skin looked really bad, and I had made skincare before, and I'm also a biochemist. So COVID happened, I'm like, I'm gonna fix my skin, and I did. Ordered all the ingredients. It has to be made fresh. So after that, I went to post a picture on social media trying to be really cool, sell a breathwork course. Every single comment was like, what are you using on your skin? And I got really mad because I didn't plan to have a company. And I was trying to sell a breathwork course. And what actually ended up happening is when people ask me, what are you using? I'm like, there's nothing I can recommend. Nothing performs like this. It has to be made a certain way. Secrets in the manufacturing. We started with 5 serums, and now 5 years later, we have over 80 products because I wanted something that actually worked, and apparently other people would like products that actually work as well. We're about to launch this week actually 3 new toners. So 2 of them, they're just amazing formulations I've been working on all summer. 2 of them have gold in it, which is great for like boosting collagen. And then 1 uses a silver, which is more antimicrobial, bacterial. This just makes your skin like perfect canvas for the serums. And my favorite products probably are Formula 3. And if you combine it with Formula 108, it's a replacement for retinol that actually does what retinol is supposed to with no side effects. Causes like rapid regeneration of your skin. I also bring people in for consultations or do Zoom consultations because oftentimes it's not just what's the right product. You might need to do some other things to achieve your results like gua sha or microneedling or something that helps to increase the tensile strength of the skin.
How does this event foster healing and community?
The Soul and Shelter Showcase, it's an amazing event because it brings together a lot of artisans, people that really care about their craft and are passionate. And that passion, it spreads into people who are looking for amazing products. So I find that it's just always a very sattvic, peaceful, lovely time with good music, delicious snacks, and a very eclectic, diverse mix of things for shopping. It's gonna be even more fun because you have an excuse to buy even more things. I love Melanie, and anything I can do with her and her community is always a pleasure. She has great intentions, which builds a great community that's very heartfelt. I enjoy everything that I do with her, so this is no exception.
How do you personally define healing?
I would say that the healing path is a return back to our own true nature and a removal of everything that blocks that natural radiance. As it applies to like cellular regeneration, we're always working with within cycles, and then those cycles are held in the field. And so I'm a yogi, and so we realize that by maintaining a certain field structure, the more dense tissues like the blood, lymph, muscle, fat, all of this regenerates different. So, and this kind of comes from a very clear intention of returning back to our own true nature.